Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we're here at Busch Gardens in Tampa, Florida, and today we're here to check out a brand new show, Rhythm of Nature, at the Morocco Palace, directly behind me. So it's gonna be a ton of fun, so make sure to stick around and check it out. Hit that subscribe button. Let's go.
Let's go. Alright, y'all, like I said, we're here in the good old Busch Gardens today. This wonderful, fantastic husband of mine just took me to go hang out with some sloths. So I'm really excited about that.
In fairness, you paid for it.
I did pay for it, but it was his idea, so it was all about it. So that being said, we're going to cool off in the Moroccan Palace Theater. So go check out that last video where we hung out with the sloths after you finish watching this one. So let you guys know what we like about the show and what our thoughts are. So we haven't seen it before.
Yes, absolutely. So we're not actually going to show the entire show, but it's more about what your experience may be if you were to come to watch it. And at the end of the video, we'll give you what our thoughts are on the show.
Yep, there you go. All right, let's find a nice, cool spot. And yeah. I will say, this theater is a vibe. Lewis was going to take me to Morocco this year. However, we'll go again.
But I don't know about the fake water though, and the koi fish.
Oh, the half quarter koi fish.
Morocco, we'll get there eventually.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
Young Dakari stands at the edge of destiny, poised to become the next great leader.
You would not believe your eyes if 10 million fireflies lit up the world as I fell asleep. I'd like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep because my dreams are bursting at the seams. Yeah, I look for drama. Yeah, I'm chasing karma. Seen some things that other people can't see. Yeah, I'm on a mission. I don't need permission. Living like I hit 103. This life's like a fantasy. This life's like a fantasy. Everyone wants to be on. Reach out for the things I need. But is it all just a mirage? Is it just a mirage? I'll spread my wings and I'll learn how to fly. I'll do what it takes till I touch the sky. Get on a fast train, travel on a jet plane far away. Break away, break away. I am a light sleeper, but I am a heavy dreamer. That's how you study the stars.
That's fun.
Yeah, it was actually pretty neat. So I'm not typically like one that's into figure skating. I think if you really like figure skating in the Olympics, you probably like this. And honestly, like, I wasn't really into it at the beginning, but it got much better. And I really did enjoy the zebra scene. And then the zebra and the lion. Holy crap!
That was intense.
Yeah. He was slinging that woman all over the stage.
Just gonna hit her head.
Yeah.
Just gonna hit her head.
I was on the edge of my seat for that one. So I did enjoy it. Yeah.
Okay. I like the butterfly one too because I like the headdress. I like the better. So I was all that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And here's the pro tips. We'll do those outside.
All right, guys. So here are your pro tips for Rhythm of Nature. I'd say number one is If you want great seats, you probably got to get here about 30 minutes early. But just to let you know, this is a Saturday, and we showed up literally like 5 minutes before it started, and there were still plenty of seats available. And I would not say that there is a bad seat in the house. So you can really show up and still watch the show from anywhere. Pro tip number 2 is this is inside. It is air conditioned, and there is a giant block of ice. So with that said, it's a great way to cool down on those really hot days. And pro tip number 3, I know it probably goes without being said for most of you, but some of you probably need a reminder. Be courteous to the performers in the show. Wait until they do their final curtain drop, their final bow, before you stand up and exit the theater. It's just very inconsiderate to leave while they're still out there performing, taking their bows, taking their applause. So anyways, that's going to do it for today, guys. Remember, hit the subscribe button. Really appreciate it. Really help us out. And with that being said, we're out of here. We'll see you next weekend.
Bye.
All right.
Wait until the end to stand up. Wait until the curtain falls down until you move your butt out of the seats.
Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weavers YouTube channel. Today we're here at Busch Gardens in Tampa, Florida, and today we're here to check out a brand new show, Rhythm of Nature.
That squirrel has a whole. I'm sorry. He just sold the show. He had a whole. Sorry. Go ahead.